Thanks for joining Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced.
All right, welcome everyone. Thanks for joining again Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced Training Program. Today I'm going to talk about creating a partial order with help of FS class, where we are going to call our API to initiate our partial order from the quote and quote line item. All right, so in order to do so, again, what you have to do, you might have already learn about how to create a connected app and how to create a name credentials and auth provider. So these three steps you have to follow. Again, connected app and the auth provider and the name credentials. So these three steps are being completed in my previous video. If you haven't watched this video, please go ahead and first watch my first video for creating a code to an order as a single order from the code, and then you are able to create this particular multiple order or not a single order called partial order from the code record base with help of our FS class. So in order to do so, what is my use case here? My use case is here that I in my particular a code I have two quote line item, and for monitor I would like to create another one order, and for my external hard drive I would like to have another second order actually. So from this particular quote I would like to create a two order based on my quote line item based on my manual selection actually. So this is how our system will look like. In that, what I have done, I have selected one particular monitor and then click on a partial order. So you see my partial order gets created successfully. If I come back to my related, and then if I come back to the orders here, my one of the order get created with the same particular amount, and this time I have created an order with the monitor. Let me come back to my code and let's see if I would like to generate my particular second order or not. I will come back again. This time I would like to select external hard drive, and for the hard drive I would like to also create my partial order. So I have created two order in this particular code. So let me come back to the related again. If I come back to my order related list, I can see, let me see one more time. So here you can see I have two orders get created. One of the order for my monitor, another one should be our hard drive. So my hard drive order is also get created, where I have two orders get created for my these two codes actually, my single codes. So for one code I have created a two partial order for this particular um, item. Again, thanks for joining this Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced Training Program. So in order to do so, let me show you the LWC component that I have created for creating a partial order. And in this particular document, you can see end to end what I have set up, what all API that I have been calling, and how this API have been called out to create my partial order into the system. So in this, I have been passing my both the quote ID including my quote line item ID, and in order to achieve this, so I am calling this particular API call out. In that API call out, let me show you the API call out in my FX classes. So this is how we have been passing my quote ID including the quote line item ID, and in this particular create code order from the code, this particular API that I am calling to create my order, and this partial order is getting an options to create my uh, uh, order for the particular quote and quote line item. So I am passing this particular quote ID and quote line item ID to initiate my order here. So based on the partial order, you can easily go and achieve to create this partial order from each and every code. So with help of FS classes, you can easily go and achieve the partial order creation or single order creation actually. And in order to do so, you can also follow the our Salesforce API Revenue Cloud Developer org developer guidebook. In that developer guidebook, they have given us an idea how to create a partial order end to end. So let me show you very quickly here. All right, so if I come back to the place order, you see this place order, this is what you have to call, In this place order, you have to, this one is for our calling from scratch. You can add your own code reference ID and something, and then you can get this detail actually. All right, so this is what the API that I have called and able to achieve this place order API in our Revenue Cloud developer, and then we are able to achieve our what you call the creating a order, a single order or partial order with help of Apex callout. Thank you once again. Thanks for joining. If you have further questions or query, please reach out to me, and please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel on my YouTube. Thanks once again. Thanks for joining.